These are some tricks to make a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So basically, first of all, I need to make a canvas size for the swatches, and it will be 20 centimeter for the patch. And I only have 3 design elements here, so I don't need that much. But from these 3 designs, we can develop a seamless pattern, and we can just arrange the size of the elements, and maybe we can change the color and the angle and so on. But there are several things that you need to do to make it seamless. So first of all, you have to fill the swatches and make them balance. So what I need to do is try to lay out them nicely, and beside that, you need to put the whole elements inside the boxes, but you also need to add some of the elements outside, or half outside the box and half inside the box. So we need to do this in order to make the seamless pattern using the X and Y coordinate, which is I will show you later. But for now, let's try to keep it balanced and add several items and try to fill in the gap. So if you make it too full, if it's too much, then the pattern will be looks too heavy. But when you make it less, when you have small gaps, and it will looks weird as well when you do the final result of the seamless pattern. So here I have several items that I put half outside the box and half inside the box. So this is one of the example. So I try to make it balanced. Like we have 6 dots. As you can see, there is 6 dots when you click on the elements, and so I make sure that half is inside and half is outside, so it will be balanced and not overlapping. So when you have something on your top, which is its Y coordinate, you have to copy, which you can click Command C and Command F, or Control C and Control F, and after that you put the Y coordinate using plus 20 centimeter, because the size of the canvas before 20 centimeter, and after that you have to apply it at the bottom part using that coordinate, so it will be precise. And this is the same goes with the green things, the green elements design on the left, which is its X coordinate. So I did the same over there. I copy with Command C, Command F, or Control C, Control F, and then I put on the X plus 20. So the inside part, I just have to fill it nicely and balance. So it's really important to make it balanced. So some we have to change the angle, we have to rotate, and we can even transform it, like reflect the angle, so it won't looks too boring. So even we only have 3 design elements, but by rotating and then copying with different sizes and different angle, it will looks more nicely. So after this, we can put the background colors. So to make the background, we're gonna need to make the box using the tools on the left, and then the box will be using the same size, which is 20 centimeter, because the canvas size is 20 centimeter. So we can pick any color that we think suitable for this design. After filling the whole canvas, after we add the design elements and make them balance, we're gonna need to make sure that everything is on the same layer. So we're just gonna work on one layer, and then using the box tools on the left, we're gonna make a square and make sure that it is 20 centimeter. We click on the transform 20 and 20, and to make it really center, it means the XY coordinate has to be half size of the 20. So we type it 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter, so it will automatically become the center of the canvas size. Then we have to copy the boxes, so we need 2 boxes. So one will be at the background, so right click and then arrange send to back, and the other one will be right click, arrange and bring to front. So we make like a sandwich layer, but just on the same layer. And after that, we're gonna select the whole thing. After we select the whole thing, make a right click and make clipping mask, and after that we find Pathfinder and then go to crop and then click on the crop. And so we need to check the pattern if it's ready or not. Then we have to put it on the swatches. So click on the swatches. If it's not available there, then you need to find Windows, go to the Windows and click on the swatches, and I have the swatches here. So drag this image on the canvas, drag the whole thing and put it on the swatches, and then after that we have to test the swatches by making the box. So I will make a bigger box, and then I will type on the width and height 38 centimeter and 48 centimeter, because I want my tote bag size on this size. And then after that I click on the swatches. So I'll go to the swatches again, and then I will see whether my pattern will apply seamlessly here or not. So let's see how it ends. So if we have a mistake, if it's not seamless, it means we did something wrong during the process. So we can finally see after we click on the swatch. So I put it the boxes here, and then go to the swatch and click on the pattern. So we can see that it is seamless and nothing is overlapping, so everything looks fine here. And the gap is nice, so it's not there's no part that looks too off, because everything looks balanced. And we can actually change the size of the scale by make a right click and then transform and then scale, and then make sure to unclick transform object, and the 100% we can change the size. So this is how to make it big, 150%. And then you can always change if you want to make it smaller, then maybe make it 75%. So the size will be up to you, you just have to edit the scale. So basically this is the result of the seamless pattern design. So this is ready to be printed on a tote bag or something else.